DuraPost welcomes you to this instructional video on how to install our DuraPost VISTA fence panels. Lightweight and easy to fit, DuraPost VISTA composite panels provide both strength and style. They don't rot or splinter and have been UV stabilized to retain their integrity and finish season after season. They come in 6 colors: oyster, teak, ash, graphite, slate and cedar. This video is designed as a guideline and may not be suitable for all types of installation. Remember to use PPE and ensure safe operation when using power tools. DuraPost VISTA is easy to install using the DuraPost Classic Post. Please see our installation guide on how to install our DuraPost Classic Posts. Our aluminium infills allow DuraPost VISTA to slot seamlessly into the classic DuraPost. You can use the lower infill rail as a distance guide when installing the DuraPosts. An additional 5mm gap should be left for expansion. With the DuraPost set, you can lower the bottom infill into position and secure at each end. The aluminium infill slots into the DuraPost as shown. Please note, due to inbuilt tolerances in the boards and the condition of the ground, aluminium infills may need to be cut down depending on the circumstances of the installation. The DuraPost VISTA panels then slot into the aluminium infills at both ends of the bay. The panels are then secured through the post and directly into the aluminium infill. Then simply slot the remaining VISTA panels into place in the same way. Secure the panels into place directly through the DuraPost and into the infill. To finish the bay, slot the top infill rail into position and secure. If fitting a post cap, the DuraPost will need to protrude 15mm above the top rail. Corner posts can be combined with U-channels to create a corner. With the U-channel secured to the corner post, the aluminium infill can be slotted into the U-channel. Then simply slot the DuraPost VISTA panels into the infills as before. Secure the panels through the U-channel and into the infill. A cover strip can then be used to cover the fixings. You can also use U-channels combined with infills to start the fence directly from a wall. DuraPost VISTA can also be used with the majority of concrete posts.